This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change particular text size in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. Down here in the lower right corner I have begun to compose an email. Say that on this email I wanted the title of this text here to be a larger size. To change particular text size in Gmail, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is select the text that you want to enlarge. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across that title. I have the text selected that I want to enlarge. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to the formatting options bar. If you don't see the formatting options bar, then you need to go down below that, down where you see the A with the underline underneath it. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says formatting options. You want to click on that, and that will bring up the formatting options bar. Now on the formatting options bar, the two T's with the drop down next to it right here, if you put your mouse cursor over that, it says size. You want to click on size. Now you could choose between small. By default it's probably set to normal. As you can see, I have a check next to normal. That's what my font is set to. Large or huge. I'm going to choose large. I'm going to click on large. Now as you can see, the title there is been changed to large text. That is how to change the text size of particular text in Gmail. Thanks for watching.